Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Funzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be making beetroot, like for your rice or anything else that you eat with. This is a savory one. So this is not a long video, it's not a complicated recipe. So all you need is to wash your beets, add some water that is enough to cover the beets as you're cooking them, and cook them. And this is just a seasoning that I'm showing on the screen. Cook it until it's soft enough for you to, when you're using a butter knife, it pierces it, and that's when it'll be done. So right here I'm showing you all the things you're going to need to use: your knife, your grater, a plate, a nice curved plate so that you can keep everything in, and that's it. So right here I'm showing you how to peel the beets. So once you have boiled them and they're like nicely soft and you have allowed them to cool, please do not try peeling them while they're still hot. This is like they're very much cool. So once they're done, you're going to peel them off. They're easier to peel off with your hands. If you don't feel like doing that, you can just use a knife. Also, by the way, the cook time for boiling them is like boiling potatoes to make your mash or anything like that. You just have to boil them until they are soft. So for me, it took somewhere between 45 minutes to an hour. So once they're done, peeling them will be as easy as this. As you can see, I'm just using a little bit of my nail and my actual like finger to just peel it off nice and easy. This part is sped up. It's actually like it's slow. Don't rush it. Just do it nicely until you get everything off. And you can also feel for like the rough skin, because the actual skin that I'm peeling off is rough and the inside part is way softer. So that's all you're gonna do, and you do it for the both of them. So here I just showed for one, and after this you're gonna see that I peeled both of them, or as many as you are going to make. So afterwards I'm just removing, like where you removed it from the ground and the top bit, like with those little flower thingies, the leaves. So I'm just removing those bits that were like still attached there, and then that's what it looks like. So from here I'm just showing that I did for both of them, and now I'm gonna grate it. So I like the bigger side. Now you can use any type of like the gradient, I think that's the word, the gradient for it. You can use whichever size you want. Mine, I like them a little bit chunky so that I know that I'm eating them. Some people like to cube them, some people like to slice them. Now listen, for me, I like bits, but not so much that I want to have a whole chunk as I'm eating. So I like to grate mine to the point where it's like it's nice and thin and it's not too much, and even the flavor is not overwhelming. But if you want to, if instead of grating it, cube it or slice it, all of those you can do. So right here, after I am done with grating it, I'm just cleaning the grater. Please do not forget, because there's some chunks that are gonna be trapped inside, so don't forget to remove those. We shall not lose all our bits. So remember to clean those, and then I'm just transferring it into a dish. Now listen, this is just so that I can mix the stuff. Afterwards, I will either use like an old mayonnaise container or an old beetroot container, or like a nice container that you have that can be airtight. So basically this is almost like you're pickling it, but without us cooking the juice. So right there I added the peppercorn and some, this is coarse salt. So I use coarse salt because for me I felt like it's not as salty. It's like you'll not overdo, but if you only have the normal salt, use that. And then right there, that is just the vinegar that I showed at the beginning of the video. Everything I was putting at the end was everything I showed at the beginning. And basically that's it. Put it in your fridge, leave it in there. You can use it for me, I usually leave it for a month upward, and then if it looks bad or it's starting to go bad, then you stop using it. But yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.